two views of the boats. Here we have top view and the side view. They each have different parts. From the word bank we have over here, there's going to be different words, and I'm going to give you one each. You're going to choose one each, and you're going to put words and it goes in the boat. Audrey, do you want to come up and pick one? Sure. Okay, and you're going to just read it out first. There's like a little arrow.
Here's the rudder. Okay. And I do believe it goes together.
Yeah. Okay. Emily? Wait, first of all, what does the rudder do?
The rudder steers. It's the back.
Okay, that's good. So, Emily, would you like to choose one? So, what have you got there? Alright, so where do you think it goes? Nope. The boom is something that goes, it's attached to the sail actually. So, nope, that's the mast. Here. Yeah, so that's the boom. Do you have any idea what it does? Is it yeah, a little bit. You can sit down. So the boom is something that holds the sail shape out, as you see it's coming down like that, and it sort of keeps it into one place. And when you're sailing upwind, you have to change sides. You can't exactly point straight to when you just go backwards. So when you go to the side, the boom holds the boat out, that sail out to the one side that you're on. Okay. So Emily, would you like to choose the next one?
It's the mast.
Okay. So what do you think the mast does?
Keeps the sail up.
Okay, yeah. That's basically all it does. So Audrey, would you like to choose the next one? Yeah. So that one's the mainsail. And that's sort of the important sail. Every boat's got a mainsail. It doesn't matter what type of boat you're sailing, as long as it's a sailboat, there's a mainsail. And it's basically what you move or go forward with. So, alright. What you got there? Main sheet. Okay. Let me just help out here a little bit. A sheet is a type of rope. It's just the name that we use in sailing, that you use. Okay, so we have the main sail, which is right here, and the main sheet is what attaches to the main sail. Yeah, there you go. So the main sheet, basically the skipper or the steering person of the boat pulls it in and out to adjust the boom to let the sail in or out for what point is sailing on. Painter is another type of rope. Painter is probably the next most important rope to the mainsail because without it you can't tie up to another boat or a dock when you're not using the boat. It'd be a problem because it likes to drift away then. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one. Yeah, that's the smaller sail. Only two sailboats have that, or two sailboats have those. And basically they're just for finer adjustments and for the different points of sailing. They don't make that big of a significant difference unless you've got your sail backwards. Okay, so you got the starboard side there. So starboard, it is a side of the boat. You got that almost right. It actually doesn't have an arrow on that diagram. My bad. Starboard is not the right left side of the boat, which is what you've got there. So yeah, so it's on the right hand side of the boat. Easy way to remember that is right is longer than left, like the word right, and starboard is longer than the other word, which we'll worry about in a second. They're used to help keep the boat flat when you're out at sea. They're not really well drawn on my diagram here, but they're sort of inside the boat there, so you've got the right view. Yeah, there you go. Basically, when it's windy, you put your feet under those and go out.
Okay, I never remember this.
You've got the bow there?
Bow.
Yeah, so that's the top.
Okay, jib sheet, it should be a rope attached to it.
It's on the diagram there.
That it?
No.
No, where's the rope?
Yeah, there you go. The jib sheet is what you pull. There's two of them, and it's what you pull in from the different directions of different tacks and stuff. So, yeah, so the port's the left side of the boat. Port is 4 letters, and so is left. And the stern's, yeah, the back of the boat. Right. So what have you got there? All right. No. All right. Buoyancy tanks are really, really crucial when it comes to keeping your boat afloat because it's basically without those you sink. All right. So you got the dagger board there. Yeah. And that's another important thing. Some on the bigger boats it's called a keel, and it keeps the boat flat. Just as a natural thing. Just take notice.
I'm assuming this has something to do with keeping it from tipping
Tiller.
or tilting.
Yeah, kind of tiller.
Oh, maybe here.
Yeah. That's the part that the sailor holds on to steer the boat. So normally. Yeah, and that's the cleat. And then you touch this work. All right, good job. So, thank you. That's all of our clues. All right, so now I'm going to do a bit of a game. So what we're going to do is I have clues right here, and I'm going to read them out. And the first person to raise their hand, I'm going to choose them. You have to say the correct part of the boat. The first clue of this is every boat absolutely needs them, no matter what. Buoyancy tanks. Yeah. All right, so the next one is the side of the boat, and it's the left side. And with me, or, yep. Next one. It's the big sail on the boat. All you, big sail. Yep. Okay, next one. Holds the main sail in place. Yep. Okay, next one. dagger board. That's okay. That's the one at the bottom. Okay, next one. It's the rope that you attach to the docks and to other boats. Your turn. Okay, got that. Alright. This is another side of the boat. And farthest back. From the back. Yeah. No. What side of the boat? Here. Yep. Alright. So the next one is it holds ropes in place. Yeah. Yeah. It is the part of the boat that steers it, but the person is the one who holds onto it and they're steering with it. Yeah? No? As for attending the speedy boat. Alright. Close. What do you think? Tiller? Yeah, tiller. Alright. Oh, the other one pulls ahead. Okay, next one is the small sail. Yeah? Yep. Alright, the next one's another side of the boat. It's the right-hand side. Yeah. Gotta split off. So the next one holds the dagger board in place, and it's sort of like a seat. Yeah? No? Yeah? Yeah? Go ahead and take that one off. Alright, so the next one's another side of the boat. It's the front of the boat. Yeah? That? Yeah. Next one, you use it to keep the boat flat. You're actually using it. No, that's for steering it. It's to keep your boat flat. So when it's really windy, you put your feet under it. Yeah? Yeah. Alright, to the left here. This one steers the boat. Rudder? Yeah. And the last one, it holds the jib sail in. Yeah. Alright. So I think we got two there. And this is for